Hey, what's up and welcome back to David RC Basher. I do have something, it's not new, but it's new for the one I got it for. You know a little bit about these Redcats. Been working with them for a while now. This is the Redcat Blackout XTE. Yes, nice little trucks here. Comes with 16 turn motor, 40 amp ESC, and a precision servo. Now the controller that they come with, the RCR 2CE, those are some high quality controllers as far as batteries versus the range you get. Manual, don't need that. Yes. This model does come with all the goodies, internal diffs, all that. Just the same as the XTE Pro. All metal. Badass diffs. Oh, look at this cleanness. My son is gonna love this. Yes. Alright, so we do have a 550 can size. That is a 16 turn with a giant heat sink. Is that helps dissipate the heat, keeps your motor from overheating. Get rid of that and that. But inside these housings are metal diffs. Yes, just waiting for some brushless power. And the spur gear, as far as those go, I've only went through one in the lifetime of me owning my Blackout. I had the gray Truggy. They're pretty sweet too. Mine was the Pro. Thought about rebuilding it. Still may do it. I'm already getting parts in for it. Oh, overloaded. Yeah, be a sweet little ride for him here. There's that precision servo. They just don't do very well in the water. Neither do the receivers. When you go to swap the LiPo, inside there is a tab. Just jump it over to LiPo. Oh, also I had some more stuff come in. Something that's going to help the Charisma get up the hill. Except I'm going to reduce her to an 85mm shock and get this thing sitting real nice and low. Let's go ahead and take a look. We got a few of them. Oh yes. These are 2.8. Way bigger. But these are not for this truck. This is for something else. Gonna move my jumper right here before I ever set this thing up and put a Dean's end or any kind of connector that I'm gonna be hooking a LiPo through. Go ahead and show you how to get this back on one-handed. All right. Ready for a LiPo. Oh, not yet. What is this? Get rid of that. The only thing I can really say I'm going to do to get... Damn, that was loud. Traction. Plenty of it. So the only thing I'm really going to be doing to this is adding a wing. All right, so I did decide to bring it out, give a little run video on it. Let's go ahead and get this started.
Black Cadillac, high heel boots, and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. If she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination never mind gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor and we chase. Got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine. Black so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All fame, no shame.
So I'm gonna have to line a few things out. The meshing could be a lot smoother. Airs out really nice, smooth. The only reason I want to put a wing on it is for my son. In case he nose dives in, it'll help him level out. That's the stuff we don't ever get. Oh, cool. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone. That's the Blackout. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description box. Yes, directly to Redcat. You know it. See y'all the next time.